So this is my first video I'm making because I promised a friend to do it. This is also one of my first own group orders that I'm doing. I did one for Nacific, as you can see, for the PCs, and also got the skincare with it. A toner, and serum, multiple an Origin Red serum, and masks. I'm going to sort the PCs on member. It feels so awkward to talk to my phone. It's almost like I'm giving a presentation for school, except there's no one here, which makes it more awkward for me. I find talking in general awkward, so it could just be me. I need to look at which PC is which type later, because I don't remember. Yes. Oh, I should put them together. That's easier, I think. Okay, yes, you can see everything. I could also... Oh, yes. There. Felix. I should put them differently. I think these are my favorites from Nacific. The prettiest. All the PCs. This is gonna be a short video because I'm not used to unboxings. Well, I unbox more times because I have way too many albums and PCs myself, but I never made a video. Oh, I didn't show this. I just opened the forecuts. It was in this paper thing. I kind of want to put this in my binder too. Is that weird? I don't care. The forecuts. Engine. Chan. Mino. Singmin. Youngin. Felix. And Changbin. Well, that was all. Oh, I didn't show all the skincare, I think. There was also lip cream. Oh, it doesn't focus. It's Chic Choco. I don't remember what I showed on the skincare. Spot cream. And this. Yeah, and I didn't show all the mini serums. These And the Pitoniakin I showed before. I don't even know if you pronounce it like that, but yeah. And I got this with it instead of the other 8 lip creams I was supposed to get, I guess. Because this wasn't in the description. I can open it. This is gonna be a really short unboxing, but yeah. It's kind of cool. I can open more actually to make it longer. But I don't know if I'll do that. This one was already open. I want to see how it looks. The masks. Yeah, I think this is going to be all for the unboxing. Or I can... Okay, no, yes, this is going to be all. Because opening the other 4 goods doesn't really make sense because I already showed them all. Well, I can sort them on member again. But I don't think that's necessary. So yeah, this was my unboxing. I hope whoever is watching this enjoyed my awkwardness while filming.